Let's talk about this meme cryptocurrency that's been pretty popular, pretty much in the news and the Twitter feeds, is Pepe. Now, Pepe is a meme token, guys. Now, this one, I'm not saying to invest, guys. If you are, go ahead. But for me, this is just something interesting to watch, something to speculate on paper. But it's Pepe. It's ranked at number 63. It has $684 million in its market cap. So what is this cryptocurrency, guys? Pepe is a deflationary meme coin launched on Ethereum. The cryptocurrency was created as a tribute to the Pepe the Frog internet meme created by Matt Fury, which gained popularity in the early 2000s. Now, if you guys want to learn more about it, is just check out the Coinbase articles below. But check out the chart. Now, this is a monthly once again, and it's up a whole bunch of percentages. Like the actual price is, let's see, 0.00001751. So you can buy a lot for with $1, a whole ton. But once again, guys, I'm not buying this. I'm not saying you guys to buy it, but just going to show you guys because I find it quite interesting that many people are trying to get into this cryptocurrency. I think because it has a lot of movement. I mean, apparently there is a lot of movement. Let's go to the daily and see how it looks. So it went from this percentage when it first came out, so 0, and then skyrocketed up 1,800%, and then back down. So these people are still up. I mean, would I recommend getting into this? I'm not even going to touch this cryptocurrency, but it is interesting to see how cryptocurrencies are so volatile. So was a lot of fortunes made from this? It's possible. I just hope that a lot of people got out. I mean, if people start continuing to get out, maybe it's going to head down a lot lower, or maybe this another influencer is going to pump this. But for me, guys, I'm just going to stay out. I just wanted to show you guys this cryptocurrencies. This cryptocurrency that was pretty popular. And yeah, tell me your guys' thoughts. Are you guys using this crypto? Are you guys trading this crypto? What do you guys' thoughts are about this? You think it's going to head up higher? But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me your guys' thoughts on below. Check out my website if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, trading, and investing. And check out my services if any of this appeal to you. But that's it, guys. I'll see you.